Hey, GG Squad. What up, boys? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, you feel me? We in the airport. About to blow our flight out here. First, so on finishing flight, we're going to Antigua. But the first place we gotta go, we gotta hop on the plane to we're going on the plane to Miami, and we hang up the plane to Antigua. That's my finishing destination, you feel me? My mom, my sister, my mom, about to blow our flight, you feel me? But for real, we're about to blow our flight. So we're walking, and now we're walking to our gate. We're now walking to our gate so we can get our we go to our gate so we can go to it's my flight right here. Miami. We out here. And then from Miami we go to Antigua. But now we walking. This walk takes forever just to get there, bro. Go to you feel me? So walking since we got the cab. Sorry, JG Squad. I recorded when I was in the cab because I had to get my stuff together. I had to charge my phone. Feel me? So right now, on the airport, we're in the airport thing. So we in our gate actually. We're on our gate right now. So we just hop on this joint. Come here, Paris. Me, my mom, my little sister. Say hi to JJ Squad, you feel me? Hey, let's sit down. But for real, let's see something. Alright. Finally, we get to our boarding.
I'll sit right here.
Right?
6 feet. I'm sorry.
This is 6 feet. So now, okay.
Put your book right here. Right there.
Where?
Right there.
On my phone. Okay. Now, we're waiting to board our flight. How long is that? How many minutes we got? Let's see.
We got it.
Right now, what time is it?
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
What time we board our flight?
6:30.
Okay, 6:30 we board our flight. Whoa.
So basically, we have a 1 minute.
Not 1 minute.
Yes.
1 hour.
We have 1 hour and 30 seconds.
Yeah, but she said.
I look very tired.
Yeah, both of us do. But I'm not gonna fall asleep. I'm gonna play my game on my phone. But until now, see you later, JJ Squad. We gonna get back to you when we board our flight. Peace. Sorry, peace.